Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we have a Bobcat S185. It's a two-owner machine with only 825 hours on it. Original paint. Tires are recaps in really nice condition. No power bob attach on this unit, but we do have heat and a nice enclosed cab. Very clean. You know, this is the original paint you're looking at. A few scuffs on the boom, but nothing that would prevent you from calling this a really nice clean machine. Rear door, excellent condition. Again, original paint. It's a vertical lift machine. We've got our Kubota 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel. Routine maintenance on this. The past owner changed oil every 100 hours. Easy to maintain. Nice machine to put to work. You know, if you've got a brush cat, or if you've got some other attachments that you want to put to work, this machine has the size and hydraulic power to make them work for you. Let's take a look at the interior again. Nice machine, great seat in it, standard controls. Key start, there's our hours, 8:25. Got our standard flow. Nice clean boom. You can see on the back side, no surprises. Routine maintenance. That plate is nice and tight. Good pins and bushings. Even the float works on the boom. We've got heat. Nice strong fan on this unit. Got your wiper. It's ready to plow snow and do all your chores. Excellent visibility on the machine. Easy to see out the back. Yeah, very tight. All right, we're going to include a bucket with this machine. It'll come with a 68. Really nice condition. Again, two-owner. Cab heat, good tires, just a nice straight unit without rust. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this Bobcat S185 skid steer loader. Again, Jeff, Tri-State Bobcat, 715-781-3940. Exit 4, Hudson, Wisconsin, just east of Minneapolis-St. Paul off Freeway 94. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, 715-781-3940 on this Bobcat S185 skid steer loader. Thank you.